My name is Mrs. N. Jenga. I'm planning to do a lot with the solar pump that I have. I got it through the Equity Bank. They gave me a loan, and it's really helping me. It's not expensive compared to the fuel, how much we use for fuel, and also it's very efficient. Yeah, I would recommend every farmer to have it, because I used to use a lot of fuel. I used to spend 3,000 weekly. Now it has really saved me, because through the Equity I'm only paying 5,000 per month. It's really a good thing.